you guys. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. और यहाँ जैकलिन हिल से रिलेटेड ये जो उसने स्मोकी आइज क्रिएट की थी अपने पैलेट लॉन्च पे जो उसका मॉर्फी का कोलैबोरेशन के साथ पैलेट वन, तो मैंने उससे रिलेटेड ये वीडियो बनाया है एंड ऑनेस्टली आई लव दीज स्मोकी आइज और मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम से था मैं ये स्मोकी आइज क्रिएट करूँ. सो दिस इज़ अ इंस्पायर्ड वीडियो. मेरे पास जैकलिन हिल का वो वाला आई शेडो पैलेट नहीं है. मेरे पास जो कलर्स थे मैंने उसी को यूज़ करके ये लुक क्रिएट किया है एंड यू कैन टेक योर कलर्स विच एवर यू वांट. So feel free for the colors. So I hope you like this video and please guys keep on watching and feel free to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So let's get started and first I'm going to use this Essence eyeshadow primer. और ये जो है आई शेडो प्राइमर है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट ऑल ओवर माई आईलिड्स. आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेप्ड माई आईब्रोज एंड क्योंकि आई डोंट नो आईब्रोज का पार्ट इतना इंटरेस्टिंग होता है या नहीं होता है. आई डोंट नो वेदर यू गाइस लाइक इट और नॉट. सो या आई एम अप्लाइंग दिस आई शेडो प्राइमर एंड with the help of this brush and I'm going to blend it. एंड मैंने ये इंस्पिरेशन ली है इस पिक्चर से जैकलिन हिल की. और ये जो फोटो है ये तब की है जब जो है जैकलिन हिल ने अपना सेकंड लार्जर वाला जो बड़ा वाला पैलेट है वो लॉन्च किया था एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग शी लुक्स गॉर्जियस इन दिस. इसमें काफ़ी स्मोकी आइज है और काफ़ी ब्लोन आउट रेड आइज है. मेरे पास जैकलिन हिल का वो वाला पैलेट नहीं है. मैं इससे इंस्पायर्ड मेकअप लुक क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. एग्जैक्ट ऐसे ही आइज नहीं टर्न आउट होंगे, आई नो दैट, क्योंकि मेरे पास सेम एग्जैक्ट पैलेट नहीं है और सेम एग्जैक्ट रेड कलर नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट इन माय वर्जन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. For this I will be taking this Swiss Beauty blush palette. It is a blush palette and I am going to take this shade and I am going to give a very good flush of this color, this pink color on my eyes. And this Jaclyn has a very blown out effect on her eyes. मैं बिल्कुल सेम वैसा करूँगी और एकदम वैसा ही blown out effect दूंगी अपनी eyes को भी. And colors थोड़े दूसरे रहेंगे and I will try to match that as much as I can. I am taking this color and I am putting above my crease so that I can give very big and blown out effect. For my second shade I will be taking this and this, both two darker shades in the palette, and I am going to deepen up my crease. Honestly speaking I would love to have the Jaclyn Hill one second palette for sure, but honestly Morphe जो है available नहीं है इंडिया में एंड जो पैलेट है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑनेस्टली दैट कॉस्ट फॉर 4,800 to 5,000 and plus rupees on the Instagram pages, and honestly you don't know that whether these pages are authentic or not, and 5,000 is a very big amount honestly. and जब आप कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो कि इसको USA डॉलर से and into rupees, but yeah, there are shipping charges and all. They are also going to make some profit because they are selling makeup. बिना profit के भाई सब कुछ होता तो है नहीं किसी business में. So yeah, but honestly it really यार 5,000 रुपए एक आई शेडो पैलेट के लिए, if you know that it's not that amount on Morphe website. So yeah, ऑनेस्टली बैंक अकाउंट और आपका दिल को दोनों को बहुत दुख होगा. या एंड माई सिस्टर इज सेइंग कि इफ यू गाइज विल सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल देन आई विल बी एबल टू बाय इट, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on any Instagram page or from directly from Morphe website. So guys, do subscribe to my channel. For the red shade I am going to use this shade from the Makeup Revolution into Carmi palette, the Kiss of Fire one. I am going to take this shade on this Estee Lauder small brush and I am going to deepen up my crease and the outer circle with this brush. I am going to deepen up my outer V with this color as well as my lower crease with this shade. After having tea and snacks with my family, I'm going to complete my tutorial. I'm going to take this shimmer shade and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. I'm going to apply this shimmer shade with my fingers. After applying it, I'm going to take this Estee Lauder brush and I'm going to dip back in this shade and I'm going to blend it. In this pic, Jaclyn Hill has a very smoky eye, so I'm going to apply a eyeliner and then I'm going to smudge it. To smudge the eyeliner, I'm going to take this palette. You can take any palette. I'm taking this brown shade on this pencil brush and I'm going to smudge my eyeliner. After smudging the eyeliner, I'm going to take this Colossal mascara from Maybelline and I'm going to apply it only on my lashes, upper lashes, not on my lower lashes. For the base makeup, I'm going to use this Nykaa facial oil. I'm going to take this oil on my palms of my hands and I'm going to apply it on my face. And I'm going to use this facial oil as my primer. Actually, nowadays I don't use primer that much often. But yeah, I use this facial oil and it really gives you a very natural effect. और आप चाहो तो जो Nivea soft cream है, आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो as your primer. Honestly, that also gives a very natural effect and makes your makeup last longer. In this pic, she had a very strong and full coverage kind of a makeup, so I am going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. I'm going to blend it with the help of a brush, and I know it is looking a bit darker than my shade, but I'm going to apply a highlighting concealer, so it is going to give me a natural shade. After blending my foundation, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige and I'm going to apply on my under eye circles and on my forehead and all the usual places like my nose. This Jaclyn has a very uplifted face, so that is why I am using concealer, highlighting concealer to uplift my face. For setting my under eyes, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I am going to set my face with it. First, I am going to set my under eyes and then I am going to set my face. After setting my face, I am going to do contour with this Maybelline Trio. It's contour, blush and highlight. I am going to use only contour and highlight with this palette. For blush, I will be taking this Swiss Beauty palette, mixing all these three shades and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Jaclyn has a very plumped up cheeks, so I will try to recreate that. And इसमें काफ़ी जो है shine है Jaclyn के face पे. For the highlight, I will be taking back this Maybelline palette and I will take the highlighting shade and I'm going to ham with my highlighter because इसमें जो है Jaclyn Hill के बहुत ही काफ़ी सारा अच्छा highlighted face था, so that's why I'm going to do the same highlighter. I will be highlighting my eyebrow as well as my inner corner. Complete the eye look, I am going to use this Nykaa I Am Black 24x7 Kajal. खुल जा भाई. I'm going to use this Nykaa I Am 24x7 Black Kajal. And I'm going to apply it on my lower waterline. I'm going to smudge it with the same brown color which I took to smudge the eyeliner. To make it more smokier, I'm going to take this shade on the same Estee Lauder brush and I'm going to further smudge it because she has a very smoky eyes. For the lipsticks, I'm going to use these two lipsticks. This one is Maybelline Clay Crush and this one is L'Oreal Sabyasachi in the shade Maple Mocha. If you want to know what are my favorite nude shades, you can go to my Instagram which is Dankshreya and you can see what are my favorite nude shades. So इसमें काफ़ी जो है Jaclyn Hill के न्यूड शेड था, so that's why I'm going to combine these two shades. This one is quite darker, so I'm going to apply these two shades. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Colossal Mascara on my lower lashes, and I'm going to put some falsies and get right back. This is my final look after the lashes. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell जो एकदम subscribe button के बिल्कुल बगल में होता है. So bye guys, take care and stay blessed.